Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to verify Venmo account. To verify your Venmo account, you need to follow the steps. So what here you need to do is actually to verify your Venmo account, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and open your Venmo app onto your device. So once you open up the Venmo app, you want to tap on the Me at the bottom of the page. You then need to go ahead and select the gear icon in the top right corner. After which, you want to select identity verification under the security section. You then need to provide your legal name, date of birth, current residential address, and at least the four-digit of your social security number. And if Venmo cannot verify your automatically, you may be asked to upload a clear unexpired photo of government ID, and that is how you're supposed to verify your Venmo account. User can link their banks instantly using Plaid by entering their online banking credentials as well. And if your bank isn't eligible for Plaid, Venmo will send two small micro transfer to your account, and you must check your balance statement after 1 to 3 business days to enter those exact amount in the Venmo app under settings payment method as well. So this is how you're supposed to verify your Venmo account. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.